Dude, what are you doing? Making motor mounts? Motor mounts for what? I'm trying to put this 6-liter in the pedal car. Come on, we don't have time for this crap. Get back to work. This place sucks. What's up, guys? It's been a while since we've done anything cool in the shop. So when I got a call from this customer saying what he wanted to do to his Superduty, obviously I was on board. So originally this truck started off, been to the dealership a few times for head gaskets. He got sick of it, so he decided to have us start building a 6-liter for him. And after a while, he just decided he wanted to do something different. So this is where we're at. DT466. 06 Superduty chassis. We kind of have it just sitting there on jack stands right now, but gonna be fabbing the motor mounts up next week. Got a little bit of room in here. It's gonna go a little bit towards the driver's side. We don't have a ton of room in here, but there's definitely a little bit of room to scooch it over. We already lowered the cab down a little bit. It's gonna clear. There's gonna be minor modifications to the firewall we'll need, but not much at all. So what we got is a SAE bell housing to an Allison 1000 trans. Then we have the D-stroked adapter from the Allison trans to the Ford transfer case. The plan is to make everything work. Electronic 4x4, cruise control, all the gauges on the dash. We moved the cross member back a few inches. It actually fits in here better than we thought it would. The biggest thing we had to do though is cut out that factory cross member. It's gone. Probably gonna end up using this cross member out of a medium duty truck, kind of hack it up a little bit and use portions of it. We're gonna have issues where it comes over to the steering box, but still trying to figure out what we're gonna use for a turbo. That's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned. Keep you updated on this one.